Allahumma barik wa salli wa sallim nahmadu nusalli ala rasulil karim amma ba. Rasulullah SAW once said, shall I not advise you on an excellent sadaqah? It is what you spend to provide for a daughter who has been sent back to you and who has not one but you, who has no one but you to earn her livelihood. Rasulullah SAW once said, shall I not advise you on an excellent sadaqah? It is what you spend to provide for a daughter who has been sent back to you and who has no one but you to earn her livelihood. Note, has been sent back to you means sent back to you after being widowed or divorced by husband. It may also mean that some other circumstances have necessitated her coming back to her parents. In these cases, all that is spent to meet her requirements is treated as excellent sadaqah, for it combines many acts of virtues. Number 1, sadaqah. Number 2, helping a person in distress. Number 3, strengthening family bonds. Number 4, loving care for one's children. And number 5, sympathy with grief for earlier. When the children live with their parents, they felt happy to look after their needs. But when they come back to their parents after having been married and having started to live happily in their own homes, both the children and the parents feel extremely grieved. Rasulullah SAW once said, for anyone helping a distressed person, Allah Ta'ala records 73 grades of forgiveness, one of which shall suffice for him for his well-being in his all worldly affairs, and 72 will raise him spiritually on the day of Qiyamah. Ummi Salmah radiyallahu anha once asked Rasulullah SAW, shall I gain any reward for what I spent on the sons of Abu Salamah, my previous husband, for they are my sons? He replied, spend on them. You will be rewarded for spending on them. Mishkat. Besides, it is a praiseworthy act according to Sharia to treat one's children with kindness and loving care, even when they are not in need of help. Rasulullah SAW cares his grandson, Hassan or Hussein radiyallahu anhuma, who were with him, and Akra ibn Habis, the chief of Banu Tamim, who was also with him at that time, said, I have 10 children, and I have never shown any affection to any one of them. Rasulullah SAW regarded him with sharp looks and said, he who does not show mercy will not be shown mercy. It occurs in another hadith that a nomadic Arab asked Rasulullah, do you kiss your children? We do not kiss them. Rasulullah SAW said, how can I help it when Allah Ta'ala has made your heart devoid of tender feelings? If a person treats children kindly when they are in distress, he gets a specific reward in addition to that for showing kindness to his children normally. May Allah give us tawfiq to put all this into practice and convey to others. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Taqabbalallah.